Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna build a double head axe from two pieces of an I-beam. So after cutting off a chunk from the beam, I'm gonna turn on the cold forge to shape one side of the axe's head eye. What I'm gonna do is fold two edges of one side of the beam to make half of the eye. And then I'm hammering inside it a 2 cm steel bar to reach the right size of the eye to make the two parts symmetrical. After painting the pattern, I'm roughly cutting the shape of one side of the axe. It was a bit tricky to cut all the little pieces, but with the help of the bench grinder and the belt grinder, I got to have a pretty good shape. I'm going ahead welding two spots just to check if the two pieces are symmetrical and lined up. Then I'm welding them and carefully grinding the joints, not to grind the weld off. I'm roughly grinding the surface of the blade with the angle grinder, and then hand sanding and buffing it on the bench grinder. As you can see, I'm not going to sharpen it really good. I just want the blade to hold an edge. So I tried to draw this handle in a kind of medieval style or so. I'm cutting off a rough shape and I'm just using the sandpaper to round the sides up. I'm burning lightly the surface and put some brown wood paint to make it look a bit aged. I'm decorating it with some stripes of PU leather, both for the body and the handle. Okay, now all the parts are ready to be assembled. And that's the finished axe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye!